Hello, I'm Ellan and I'm from the Girls Sporting Girls Club, and today I'm going to show you how to do 5 football skills around the garden. So first we're going to start with kick-up. So if you're new to doing these, you're going to bounce the ball on the floor and kick it with your laces like this. But then if you get the hang of it easily, you can roll the ball under your foot and then scoop it up. So now we're going to do toe taps. This is when you bounce the balls of your feet whilst touching the ball with the bottom of your foot like this. The aim is to keep the ball as still as you can. So next up we're going to do TikToks. So with this you're going to be using the insides of your feet and you're going to be knocking the ball around from both feet like this. And try and keep it as controlled as you can. Once you've mastered that, you can move around with it like this. The next move is going to be on the go. You're going to be using the inside of your foot for this. So you're going to dribble up and down using all areas of your feet and lots of little touches. And you're going to drag the ball under with one of your feet and use the inside of your foot to knock it behind your leg. So it should be like this. Next move you're going to be doing dribbling again. You're going to be practicing doing step over. So you're going to step over the ball and use your other foot to tap the ball and turn around. It should look like this.